I'm logging in for Pig Out Barbecue, and first thing you do is when you log in, you want to validate that you do have the right customer, because if you do type the customer wrong and place an order, that can happen. So always make sure that you validate the right customer. With this ordering, because this is a wholesale customer, one of the first things you'll notice right away is there is this Go Points that is available. And this customer is a platinum customer that has 126,760 points available. In a future release coming later this year, the customer will be able to request a check through the system and have it sent directly to them. With this, there is also, you come into history, and this will show both order history and their purchase history. So the difference between these two, order history are orders that this customer has created through the system. And this is one of our regular online ordering wholesale customers that is placing orders quite often. So one of the things that you want to that you can do is just real quick, you can view the order details. You can copy this order to card if it's a repeating order. You can print the order details, and you can print a receiving worksheet. If you go into purchase history, this shows the actual purchases that came through, shows the points that are available and the total that was for this. So by viewing the purchase history, you have where and when the purchase was made and the items that were on this. So let's go through and just cover, first thing you want to do is when you want to start an order for a customer. If a customer walks up to the service desk, first thing you do is ask them for their customer number. You key it in, you bring them in, you get into this page. And if you know the item numbers, you can select it, but you may be looking just for information. Let's search for box beef. You can go right to the search line and you search everything for box beef. What we haven't done yet is we haven't selected a delivery date. So by selecting a different delivery date, you can select everything that's available. Because of the time of day, it's 7 p.m. The store closes it in an hour. Same day is not available for me to place this order, only next day and beyond. In order to place a same day order, you have to be more than 2 hours before store closing to place a same day order. So let's place a same day order, and you always want to validate which store you're placing the order for. If there's not your store that you're doing, you want to go through and select your store, and it should bring you to your current location. So now I have Wednesday date for a pickup. And I see with some of these, there's this alert symbol. It's not available for a next day pickup. For the next available date would be 10/3, because this is a 2-day lead or a fresh item that will need to be cut. So those alerts will show up. As you add quantities, you will see that you can add both a case and an each. So as you go through, one thing you notice, as soon as you enter in, the case quantity starts showing up at the top. A different way to search is just by going through the catalog and searching meat this way. One thing I want to highlight is that anytime you're doing a search, this is going to be important. So this is a filter where you can filter for just what is sold in the store. This filter's at the top, and when it's on, it will be red. And if I selected same day for pickup, this filter is automatically turned on because the only items that they can order for same day pickup are items that are stocked in the store. So let's order one of these. And there's different ways to go through the search, and I recommend when you get in, you just play with the system to see how it works. Once you have your order set and you're ready for checkout, you can come here, and at this point in time, you can view your order. You can make changes to your order. If you want to put in a PO number, this entering a PO number in here will show up in the workbench in the PO field. And so this is a place you have 20 characters, and you can do it if there's a special event that the customer wants to highlight. So different messages that you can put in there. And once you're ready to go, you go through and submit your order. At this point in time, it's going to ask for if this customer wants to be notified. It will show if this customer already has notifications turned on right here. And if it's already turned on, I would just press the continue button. If it's not turned on and you have the customer in front of you, this is a great opportunity to ask them, would you like to receive a notification, either a text notification or an email notification on when your order is going to be ready for pickup and any alerts that you have set up. With that being the case, you can go through and you can add a cell phone or an email address at this point in time. Click the continue and submit the order. I am not going to submit it at this point in time. So with this, I decided to cancel this order before I submitted it. So there is, if you look at cart, there is options here. So I can remove all from cart. And that basically starts over. That is a quick overview of online ordering for a wholesale customer.